Alright guys, I got another one. This was the last one that I've been looking for. I didn't even know that they still had them in store, but I think they just got them back. Five Below. If you saw any of my previous videos, I got the pizza shop, the holiday one, they had a pastry shop, they had a bunch of them, and they are so stinking cute. And they have the grill. I had been looking for one. They had it on Mercari for like 16 or 12 bucks. And I'm glad that I did not get it. So let me show you. Run, 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 because this is so stinking cute. They're perfect for the dollhouses. And again, sometimes the scales are a little off. Sometimes the pieces are like 1/6 scale or like Barbie size. And then other pieces are like 1/12 scale or small. So just kind of keep that in mind. Oh, sorry for the noise. Okay. Oh, no. I might have to go get another one of these. I might have to get another one. All the pieces fell. So you get your cute little grill. Adorable. Then it has the you can put inside. And that's so cool. Everything, the details, awesome. It has like the little burners and stuff. That is so cool. Okay, so you got your little grates right there. Then you can put your steak or your, if I can get it off, your well, the hot dog already has mustard on it, but your hot dog and your shish kebabs. You get 2 shish kebabs. One looks like maybe chicken or something. The other one is like beef. So you got that. Oh, you got, okay, so hold on. Guess I should look at everything first before I talk. So you have a hot dog that does not have ketchup on it or mustard. And then there is a burger with cheese and tomatoes maybe. And it's a little off. Like the color is not on the imprint. So you could probably just like repaint it. It's a little shifted. So it's okay. But you got your little burger, and then on the side you have, oh wait, hold on. Is this open? Anything to? So the knobs don't turn. This side piece doesn't look like it opens. Let me make sure. No, that part doesn't open, but the little doors do open. So you have some storage under there. And then you have a plate with a hot dog bun, hamburger buns, or a hamburger bun, hamburger bun, and then you have your hot dog that already has mustard on it, and you have the tools that you need. I think you can, I guess you're supposed to be able to hang them up here. If I can get my big old hands. No, it's not gonna work. So we usually put our tongs on the door anyway, so there goes that. And then you got a little fork. There's no spatula though, which is fine, I guess, huh? You get a little bitty knife. Then you get a ketchup and a mustard. If I can get it out. You get a ketchup and a mustard. Oh, it has like a little thing so you can't stand it up. Well, I guess technically the ketchup goes that way anyway. So you get your ketchup and your mustard. And then you have your little gas tank. So you can either put the gas tank on the side or on the inside there. But that is everything you get. Oops, sorry about that. Hold on, let me show you how it looks set up, kind of, sort of. So you got your little paper. I always keep those. And this is what it looks like. So then you got your gas tank. You got your tools. Oops, my gas tank is floating away, rolling away. That, and you got your tongs here. And you got your food on the inside. These are so stinking cute. And if you have not seen my other video with the other pieces, go check them out, because definitely these are worth the $5 for sure. I think I need another one to go with. I think I need one for each of my houses, because each of my houses need one, and they're only $5. $5. So mini barbecue grill. It's called Teeny Tinies. You get them at Five Below, and this is everything that you get. Maybe I can lift it up and show you everything that you get for your $5. That's everything, guys. Go get it. Go get it. Yeah, so $5 at Five Below. Mine had a bunch of them, so I'm hoping that if I do go back to get another one, that there's still some left. So leave one for me because I need another one. But yeah, go check it out. Bye. All right, and I just wanted to do a little size comparison for you. This is the little, what is it? The little doll from the Dollar Tree. And it's perfect for her. Perfect for her. And the stuff fits in her hand. The burger might be more Barbie sized, but look at, that's a Skipper doll too. And that's how big it is next to next to her. So just a little size comparison for you. So yeah, run to Five Below. Have a great day. Until next time, be blessed and be the reason